Here is a Hyundai Sonata. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Alright, now let's go ahead and pop the trunk. Now we need to get this cover off. This cover is held in place by these clips. These clips are all around the cover that keep it in place. For that you'll need a flathead screwdriver. All we have to do is just get the screwdriver and pull the middle part out, and once it's out you can get the entire clip out. Now get the screwdriver and pry that cover open. In there you'll find two bolts. For that you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. Now if you happen to have these type of clips, what you can do is just use the Phillips head screwdriver and screw the middle part out. Get the middle part out and then just pull the entire clip and out it comes. Now use the same screwdriver and let's get those two bolts off along with all the clips. Just keep them somewhere safe, don't lose them. And now there's nothing else holding the cover in place, so just pull it back. Get it out from those two ends over there, one over there and the second one right over there, and the cover comes off completely. Now that is where the bulbs are, so just grab the bulb holder and twist it left a little bit to loosen it. Grab it and wiggle it out. To get the bulb out, all you have to do is just push down, twist it left, and the bulb comes right out. The bulb size is 2357. It says it right there on it, 2357. That's what you need to get. Get the new bulb and put it in. Now when you put the bulb in, if it doesn't just push down, don't worry, take it out, turn around. Now try pushing it in. So push it down, twist it right, let it go, and it's in place. When you put the bulb holder back in the light, you see that big tab that goes in the big slot, the corresponding big slot over there in the light. Yeah, just match that, so that way when you put the bulb holder back in the light, it just drops right in. Otherwise you'll have to spend a few seconds just twisting and turning, getting it to align and then drop in. Once it's in place, just twist it right to lock it in place. Tuck those wires away behind the bulb holder there. Make sure the wires don't get trapped when you put the bulb holder back in the light. If it does, just loosen it, get it out, and then retighten it. And that is looking good. Now let's just go ahead and put the cover back. First get it in from those two ends there. That's it, that's going to keep the cover from falling down. And then let's put it on through those two bump stops, the rubber bump stops. One on each end, yep, those ones. And now get the clip. When you put the clip back on, make sure the middle part is pulled out. That's the only way you'll be able to get it in. So get the clip in. Once it's in place, push the middle part in to secure it in place. And that is good. Now let's just repeat the process for all the other clips and the two bolts that go in the grab handle over there. Let's tighten them one by one. Once you're done, just press that flap close, and that is pretty much it. Hope you found it useful.